Hi, my name is Skip Persick, and I'm here to say some nice things about the Chester County Bar Foundation, and particularly the Access to Justice program. And I've been participating in the Access to Justice program as long as there's been an Access program. And as most of you know, Access is designed to help people who make a little bit too much to qualify for legal aid, but not enough that they would have spare funds to pay for a lawyer to help them with certain essential legal issues. And the way I have been involved in the past is through mostly child custody cases, but I have had a couple, and I'd like to bring up a few memorable ones and some positive experiences on my behalf that I'd like to share with everyone. When I say custody, you don't know the amount of relief that comes to a parent either on either side, either one that has been shut out from custody of their child, or one that has had custody of the child and the parent has some sort of an issue, either drugs and alcohol or mental health or whatever, and they kind of step in and step out of the child's life, and the child with or the parent with custody feels compelled to let that person have custody when it might not be in the child's best interest. So through Access to Justice, I have been able to get people custody orders, and as I said, from both sides, and it has been quite a relief to those people, and me seeing that their anguish has been diminished is certainly a satisfaction for me. A couple other memorable cases is that one, I did a guardianship for a guy whose child was over 18 years of age, and as a thank you, he brought me a 10-pound carton of mushrooms every couple of months for about 3 years. So he was obviously very much appreciative of my services. And the final one is a little bit unusual. It was an adoption. I was approached by an attorney in Westchester named Erin Downing, who was the staff attorney at Domestic Relations, and there was a situation where the child or the mother was receiving some sort of a state benefit, and child support was accruing against the father who had really nothing to do with this child. So she called me and said, could you figure something out here? And she ran some things by me, and I said, sure, have the person apply for Access to Justice, have it assigned to me, and I'll take care of it. So what we did was we did a termination of parental rights voluntarily for the father, and we did an adoption for the stepfather, who became this 10-year-old boy's real father. And the look on the boy's face and the 50-year-old guy's face when the judge said that he was his real father going forward was worth no amount of money that you could calculate. So thank you, Access to Justice. Thank you, Bar Foundation, and just keep up the good work.